Hello all, welcome to Mintech Services. Now today's tutorial we are going to learn what is a column behavior into Power Apps and in Dynamics 365 CRM. It means column behavior means whenever you are going to create any columns. Whenever you are going to create any column, so then there is an option this columns behavior. Suppose in custom table I am going to create a new column suppose. So whenever you are going to create a new column, so there is a option as a behavior. So as of now, we are just select this behavior as a simple, but there is a two more behavior of this inside this behavior option. First one is a simple, second one is a calculated, and third one is a roll up. So now today we will learn what is a calculated behavior columns and what is a roll up behavior column when you will be select calculated and when you will be go for roll up. So first understand column behavior. In Power Apps Dataverse and Dynamics 365 CRM, while creating a column, there is an option behavior. There are three types of column behavior. First one is a simple. See, so first one is a simple. First one simple means store data as it is entered by user or system. In this behavior, there is no any automatic logic and these values are editable. Means if you select this columns behavior as a simple, so these columns which will be display the data as it is, which is entered by the users or entered by the system. Now, second one is a calculated behavior. See, once you click on this calculated, so it's asking, means it's showing some information. The calculated behavior will eventually be discontinued. We recommended using the formula data type for calculation instead. Previously, there is some window for calculated, but as of now, Microsoft will remove this functionality and Microsoft is providing some another thing is a formula. Or this will be this column will be visible once you first save the column. Okay, so now calculated behavior, in this behavior you can define declare the formula to perform the actions. This behavior column is become as read only once it's got created. Once you created this column or this behavior is calculated, this column become as a read only. Condition, we can set optional if condition using equal to less than begins with and with etc with operators. Action means by using this calculated behavior, you will be perform inside action. We can use formula using comparison operator less than, greater than, equal, bitwise, logical operator, date and time functions, today, now. All these function we will be used inside a calculated behavior. So now for your understanding, we are saying some example, means addition of two number. So inside my model driven application, what I did, I added a one two numbers. So see, here is added a number one decimal data type, number two as a decimal type. So here is a see, number one is and number two. Now third column as a addition. So how you will be make this column as a calculated? So now go to your column, now select this addition. This is my addition calculated field, means I created this one custom column for addition, display name as addition. Now just select this data type as a decimal. Now save this record. Once you save your column, it enable a formula. Inside this formula, I am adding just number one plus number two. Or these are the means schema name. As of now, means my schema name is a min underscore. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just searching for number two. So here is a number two. So means it's just adding a two numbers addition, means number one plus number two. So this is my formula, number one plus number two, just to save. So once you save this record, see inside your, means if I adding here is suppose as a 10. So now there is a operation will be a 60. See, here is a addition is show automatically, it shows the addition as a 60. Now here I am adding a 20. Now am I saving this record? So see, here addition is a 30, means this calculated field, inside this calculated column you are adding a one formula and this formula will be work, means it will be perform some calculated operation. Okay, you will understand. Now Second example, calculated total amount and grand total amount after discount. Means inside a same, here I am adding a amount and I am here adding a quantity. Now amount is a 100, amount is a decimal field and quantity is a whole number. Now amount is 100 and quantity is 5, then total amount is displaying a, see here is total amount displaying a 500, or this is a log, means it's a read only field because this column total amount is a calculated column. So now go to and open my calculated column. Where is it now? Oh sorry, that column name is a total amount. Now go to this total amount. Now here is a total amount. I created one column, custom column, that name is total amount, and this data type is a decimal. So here I add this formula, amount into quantity, means this amount and this is a quantity. 2's multiplication, it will be display as a total amount. Now total amount is a 500. If I change to suppose is a 3, now save. Now see, this total amount will become as a 300 because it's a calculated column. Total amount is a calculated column. Now third one is a, now last, now I am adding a one discount column. Discount is a whole number. I am giving the 10% discount. Now here is a grand total amount. Grand total amount again is a calculated column. Okay, now grand total amount. I need to be open a grand total amount column. Okay, here is a grand total amount. This is also a custom table, custom column, sorry. Or this is data type as a decimal, or here is a formula. See, so formula is for calculating this grand total amount after perform the discount operation. So here formula is amount into quantity into of 1 minus discount divided by 100. This is a formula to get a total amount after performing a discount. So here is a discount after performing a 10% discount. This amount is a 270. Suppose here is I am adding the quantity as a 5. Now performing the operation. Now here is amount is a 450. Means amount is 500 and quantity is a 5. Then total amount is a 500. Now I am giving a 10% discount on this 500. So it will be after this performing a discount, it will be automatically calculating this grand total amount is a 450. Now I am giving a discount as a 5% only. Now save this record. Now it's calculating this 575. It's a total grand total amount after performing a, after giving some discount. Hope so you will be understand. So what is a calculated behavior, means calculated column, how to create a calculated column and how the calculated column is working. Inside this calculated column you are adding a formulas. So here adding a formula. Now next one is a roll up behavior, means second step is if you open a any column, suppose I am okay, now let it be, now cancelling it, I am creating a new column, or here I am selecting the data type as a suppose whole number, because for whole number it will be display all the behavior, all the three behavior. Now simple is completed, means simple behavior will display data as it is. Now calculated will displaying your data based on your providing a formula, so this column will become as a read only. Now third one is a roll up behavior, means roll up behavior means in this type of column behavior you can perform the aggregate operation with the current table and related table parent to child. Means roll up column will work between a parent to child table, and roll-up behavior column aggregate values in related table based on optional conditions formula. You can perform this operation like count, sum, max, min and average. Only these 5 operation you will be performed by using a roll-up behavior. To performing a roll-up operation you need to be create a two tables relationship between, suppose here is a account table is a parent table and mintech product is a child table. Now inside this account table I want to be display this mintech services account record, all the associated child record of mintech product. So here means suppose if I am going to mintech product, so see here is a mintech services is a 1 or 2 record is there which is related with this mintech product, mintech services account record. So inside this, once I open a mintech services record, so inside this table I want to be created one column total number of child record, total number of mintech product child record which is associated with this mintech services. So I need to be go with this for calculated column. Means I want to be count related record which is associated with this Mintex services parent table. Now I have to create a one column. Now clicking on this column, the column is now giving this of count of Mintex products. Now data type should be a whole number and behavior as a roll up. No, so perform a roll up operation. First save the column. Now I am saving this record. So remember, roll up column will be work between a two table, parent to child table, 1 to n or n to n. Now in this example, we are going to count the related parent table record, all the child table record. Use the roll up column count aggregate function for it. Now our columns got created maybe. Yeah, now it's got created. Once the roll up column got created, it will open a this window. So if you want to again see count of Mintech product, this is my whole number. I just is opening this column. So see, this is a whole number. Behavior as a roll up. Here is the option edit. Now edit is option. Once you click on this edit option, it will open a new window. So see, so here is a first source. Oh, sorry, I had to go for parent table. Sorry. So inside this parent table, I am clicking on this account. Now search for this count. See, is there any column or not? Count. Maybe. Oh no. Okay, so we will create in a parent table. Parent table count Mintech products. Now column as a whole number. Now behavior as a roll up. Now save this column. Once it's saved, it will be automatically open a roll up window from where we will be perform our aggregate operation or count operation. So see, as we already discussed, mean this roll up column will work with is a two table, parent to child. Here the source entity is a account table. Hierarchy, no, I am not using any hierarchy. Related table is a Mintech product. Now I am searching for table name. Mintech product is associated for this product supplier lookup. So select your Mintech product with your reference of lookup column name. Okay, now set it. Now here is a filter. Means if you want to be filter only for active record. So see, add I'm in this condition means field is account, not account. Now if you want to be perform any other operation, if you want to be perform any active record, does not active record, if you want to be perform any conditions, any operator greater than equal to no, I as of now I don't want to filter any condition. Now I'm just going for this aggregate. Once you click on this aggregate, as we already discussed, 5 types of operation we will be perform for by using a roll up behavior: sum, max, min and count. Now I am going to count the child record. The count here is a Mintech product, means what we are counting Mintech product records. Now just click on right button. Now click on save and close. So now your one column got created, that column name is a count Mintech product. Now I want to be put this column inside your form, account main form. Account, here is a main form, or inside this form I want to be display above this timeline. This is a count of Mintech product. Now search count Mintech product. Now okay, here is count Mintech product. Minimize this one, count Mintech product. Now above this timeline I drag and drop this Mintech count product. Now just no, save and publish, sorry. Now put your roll up behavior column into your parent table form. Now it's published. Now go back and I want to be republish my whole table, because I just created a column as well and put into a form as well. So I want to be a publish at table level as well. Now just publish this table. Now publish. Now reload your form, reload your model driven application or Dynamics 365 CRM. Okay, now information. Now I need to be go for account form. Okay, it's still not, why it's not showing any record. So No, 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 no. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, let it be save. Means I am going to create a one new test record. Okay, CNC fourth machine and product code min underscore 005. And now just I okay, product supplier. Product supplier is a Mintex services. Now I just want to save. Now I want to go to this product supplier. Oh wow, why still is not showing this record? Recalculate. Oh, see, now it's work. Means now it's showing a 4. Means in a Mintech product there is a 4 record which is associated with Mintech services. Okay, now I am opening it. So see, here is a 4 record. Mintech service 1, 2, and third. Oh, third. Why it's showing this fourth one? Or maybe for another one is inactive. Maybe in inactive. Yeah, maybe. Okay, edit column. Now add product supplier. Sorry, product supplier. Okay. Yeah, due to this one, it's calculating as a fourth. If we delete this record, means deactivating this record. If I delete this record, so if I go here and recalculate it, it should be displayed these three now. So roll up column means you will be perform a operation between a two table, or there is some limited operation only, means count, sum, max, min, and average. Hope so you will be understand what is a calculated columns and what is a roll up column. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries on this one, so just comment out below this video, so I will be see and clear your doubts. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in our next tutorial.